Hey, what's up, guys? Mad Madness here. I'm gonna open up some Super Bowl packs and also get some Pro packs after we do them. So let's go to the marketplace. About 4 Super Bowl packs and maybe 3 Pro packs. So let's get started. We get Coin Up Collectible 100K if there's a safety. Elway Airborne Silver Trophy Bronze. Donald Stevenson, Kobe Fleener Bronze. Sammy Watkins Bronze. And D'Angelo Williams. Not a very good pack there. Let's see if we can get some better luck. Okay, good 10K there. Coin Up Collectible, Dimitri Patterson, Ataya Rubin, Bronze, and an Eric Decker. Yeah, so still no elites. I want to at least pull one elite collectible or one elite player by the end of the video here. That's the goal. Nothing there. Silver. Ooh, yes, let's go. That just did the whole pack opening right there. That goes for right around 200K. Okay, that was good. Now these other 2 packs are pretty much, well, 1 packer is pretty much free. So, let's see if we can pull another. Bronze, goal line stand, bronze, silver, Jaquiz Rogers, Benjamin Watson, Andre Roberts, Michael Bennett, Coin Up Collectible if there's a fumble for a touchdown, and a bronze. So the Super Bowl packs really didn't help out for me, but let's go into the Pro packs, see if we can pull anything there. We're gonna just reveal all here. 86 Bruce Miller. Don't know how much he goes for, but still not a bad pull for 86 overall. Looking for them elites though. Let's see if we can pull one. Ah, oh, man, he don't go in for anything. Maybe 1, 2K. Okay, last Pro pack here. Let's see if we can pull anything. Okay, so that's going to be the end of it, guys. Madden Madness here. Smash that like button and subscribe for more Madden Mobile content. See you later.